All right, guys, we are about to look at a Durango. It is a pre-owned unit. It's a fifth wheel, and I'm excited to show you because it is another clean, stunning unit. We'll find out what year and model in the front, but if you're looking for a fifth wheel, great price. It is pre-owned, but a great price, great, and maybe just in great condition, or something without bunks, you might want to come and see this one. So let's go to the front. All right, this is a Durango. It is a 2023 333RLT is the model number. It has two slides and big slides on this side. Beautiful unit, it really is. And then one big slide on this side. You also have two awnings as well. Let's take a look inside. So right away you notice that there's a lot of space in here. And again, you also notice how clean and well kept they had this. I mean, honestly, the furniture looks brand spanking new. So it really does, and it's comfy. I love the color. I love the color. You got tons of storage and beautiful windows all around. You have a really nice island, but also I like how they incorporated another option, whether it's a breakfast bar, whether it's, you know, sitting down and having coffee, doing maybe your work, but you also have the table as well. You've got your entertainment over here with your fireplace, and I love this pantry and the pantry door. I know, pantry door. Okay, so I like I like the black and the glass, the tinted glass in the middle. It looks really good, but it also makes you feel like it's kind of like a home. And I do like the design in the wood, how they cut these the cabinet doors, just make it look, I don't know if you can see it in this video, but it looks so well built, and the design is great. You've got a huge 4-burner and stove or oven, and a microwave. A nice big sink, and again, plenty of storage on both sides and over there. A nice big fridge as well. Plenty of space, plenty of room. Look how much space you have from here to this storage area over here, cabinet, counter. Just a lot of space in here. The island doesn't take up the living room space. It just is in here in the kitchen, but you still have so much space. All right, up these stairs, we've got our bathroom with 2 sinks. Love that. And a nice big shower. More storage on the side as well. It goes pretty deep. All the way down. But lots of space in here, guys. Storage and space. In our master bedroom, again, we have a lot of space. You can walk on both sides. You have a dresser and a huge closet. So, what do you guys think? What do you guys think of this unit? I think it's stunning. And for the price, it's even more stunning. But you guys let me know. If you want more information, please feel free to reach out. Come see me, Funtown RV in Waco. Call, text, email. Either way, ask for Rachel. Would love to help you guys out. But this one will go fast. It is absolutely beautiful. And again, the price is absolutely low, like all of our RVs here. But again, until next time.